Hi my friends, today I'm happy that we can show you guys not one, not two, but three precision electric screwdrivers. So each one is a different kit that you guys can get on Amazon. So let's go ahead and show you what you get. Each one is a different size with different functions, and they make amazing gifts. That's why we got three. So let's go ahead and zoom in a little closer. You guys, I have to point out this brand must take very good care of their products because most do not put it surrounding foam. So good job to the brand. Not each model will come with the accessory charging cable, but it is a Type-C charging cable. We'll check each one. So keep that in mind. So if you do want one with the cable, make sure you look at the listing. Each one will come with a nice little manual as well. So it comes in a nice stunning case, which for me, this is perfect. It's slim and it keeps everything nice and secure. So all you have to do is press, it's spring loaded and pulls right out. Look at this. Is this not incredible? Oh my goodness, look at the different bits that you have all nicely organized from front to back. Everything is magnetic, which makes it easy to pull out, but also easy to put back in. That's incredible, my friends. Absolutely incredible. So you can charge it with the Type-C cable on the butt of it. And this is it. It's this simple. Absolutely amazing. Press the power button. It comes with a little light, left and right. So if we're going left, if we're going right, shows the little icon. I mean, I love this so much. This is really nice. I do want to point out that you guys can switch different levels, pressing and holding. No, there we go. You press 3 times and then you can switch from 1 to 4. So on level 4, it's slower, has more power as far as torque goes, but well, not torque, but as far as power goes. But if you go to number 1, so you press 1, 2, 3, then you can switch to number 1, 2, or 3, and that has more torque. This is really nice. So let me go ahead and demonstrate this for you guys. So that's left. So just like that, very easy. And then we can pop this open. Now we go right. And it torques it to the perfect torque that the screw should be. Really nice. And again, for putting everything away, it's easy. And someone with bigger fingers like me, what you do is you push down and you just pull it out. If another one gets messed up, you just simply slide it right back in. You're good to go. Drop it right back in. I love this. And the nice thing is, easily put it right away without any issues. And if you go to slide it in like this and nothing happens, that means you put it in wrong. So just simply rotate it around and put it in correctly. And there we go. Incredible. Now for the others as well, the same goes for all the others. Now this one is just a little smaller. So that's basically the difference. So let's compare. So you're going to have different options on different ones, and they make a ton of different these screwdrivers. So please take a look at the listing. But the difference between the smaller one, as you guys can see, you still have your left, your right. You just don't have your screen on here, like the one we just showed you. And then the difference between this one, you just have simply your screen right here. And then you press and hold the same button So this one will take a little bit more to getting used to. You change it by pressing and holding. And then this one with no screen, you just, let's see here. It might need charged up. But they all take a Type-C charging cable. And if you're just using it, so let's say you press and hold and it just stops. That one has a light. That one has a light. So they all come with lights as well. But overall, amazing gifts for yourself and for others. Amazing gifts.